everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys my Target / Ibotta haul. I wanted to finish level 4. I also wanted to finish a bonus that is going on. I can't remember what one it is called. But with my, I went to Target first and then I went to Walmart. But my Target one, I finished level 4 first. So I'm here to show you guys the deals that I got. Now I didn't get a lot, but I think it turned out to be an awesome price. Now, they have this deal going on right now. Now, you guys can do this at Walmart or Target. I think there's other locations. But this is the Chobani yogurt. It's just a single one. This was $1, okay? You guys can pay $1 for this if you guys want to. Or, you guys can also use those free coupons. It's up to you guys what you want to do. But if you guys pay $1 for this, you end up getting this to be a 25-cent moneymaker through Ibotta because you get $1.25 back. If you guys use that coupon, it ends up becoming a $1.25 moneymaker. So definitely do that deal. You guys can do this deal at Walmart or Target, but I used a coupon for this, and actually no, I didn't use a coupon for this one because I wanted to use the coupons for these. So I ended up getting the smooth yogurt ones again because you can't pass these up. So these were just $1, I think $1.57 at my store. I used whatever coupons that I had left, so I got these all for free. They scanned all 4 coupons, no problems at all. So if you guys are wondering, those coupons do expire, I think on the 4th, which I think is, I don't know if that's a Saturday or a Sunday, but I won't be going to a store to use them up, so I couldn't pass them up. I'm losing everything. No! It exploded! Oh, no! I got yogurt on the floor. So, there's that deal, so you guys can get those for free. Hey, Ben, can you go get me some paper towels, please? I don't have any paper towels near me. So, okay. Now it smells like black cherry in here. That was the one I didn't want to break. I ended up getting this Suja kombucha ginger drink. This was on sale for $2.50. There is a 35% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys will end up paying $1.62 for this. So then there's a deal on Ibotta where you guys will get 75 cents back with this, but when I buy both of these, it automatically puts 2 and 2. Like, you know how lately you guys submit your receipt and it like pops up saying these are the offers? It automatically does that. I mean, I know it's wrong, but it's not my fault that their system can't catch it, I guess. So for this, if you guys buy both drinks, you guys will get a 75 cent and a 95-cent rebate on Ibotta. So this ends up becoming an 8-cent moneymaker for this. This absolutely comes out to be free. Husband wanted to try a different flavor. I didn't know what one he wanted, but I got him ginger, so we'll try that. And then they didn't have any of the red drinks, which was kind of weird. Then we got this blueberry goodness. This is the Suja, and it's apple, water, banana, blueberry, strawberry, orange, blackberry, lemon, chia seed. There's a lot of stuff in this one. But this was on sale for $3. There is a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys will end up paying $2.45. But then you guys get 95 cents back with Ibotta. But like I said, it's giving it to you both. So then you also get that 75-cent rebate also. So this lovely bottle comes out to be just 70 cents, which I think is a great deal for being a $3 bottle all the way down to 70 cents. I think it's a great deal, and these are good for you. I mean, they're good for you. I don't know how many calories. It's 170 calories, but it's good for you. So there's There's that. I ended up getting the Rice Krispie treats. Now I know there is a deal on Saving Star. There was a deal on Saving Star. I used that up. There was a deal on Checkout 51. It won't let me use it because I used it on Saving Star. So if you guys still have it on Checkout 51, definitely do it. But these are $2.09 a piece. There is a 15% off deal on Saving Star. You guys, why do I keep saying Saving Star? Cartwheel, 15% off a Cartwheel. You guys want to use that $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from, I can't remember. You guys want to pay $2.55 for the both of these. But again, you can submit 60 cents times 2 on Ibotta, making both of these just $1.35 or 68 cents a piece, which I think is an awesome deal. If you guys still have that deal on Checkout 51, you can do that and you get money back too. So, yeah. I got something new, and I thought it looks like there's supposed to be water in here, but I grabbed like a bunch of them and there's not, so it's supposed to be made this way, I guess. But these are the Pearls Olive to Go. Now you can't do this at Walmart, it's only available at Target and some other places, but you need to get the infused olives. So I got the Italian herb infused large ripe olives. Looks like there's garlic in it, which I'm not a huge olive person. I'll only eat it when it's on pizza. But this was $3. There's no Cartwheel deal. I couldn't find any coupons, so you guys would pay $3 for this. But then when I submitted my receipt, it popped up 2 and I only bought 1. So on Ibotta, you're supposed to get a $2 rebate, making it just $1 for this, which comes out to be $1/4 a cup. But when I submitted my receipt, it said 2, so I actually got this for $1 moneymaker. I don't know why. I've been doing those a lot of glitches. I can't control that. I mean, I can take them off, but whatever. And they approved the receipt right off the bat, so I ended up making $1 off of that. I ended up getting this Hannah Max cookie chips. I got the chocolate chip, which I'm excited. The ones I've been getting lately are like the sugar ones, cinnamon sugar. These were $3.49. There is a 30% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys will end up paying $2.44 for this. But then you can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.19. Not the greatest deal, but like I said, I wanted to hit that $3 bonus, and I also wanted to finish level 4, which level 4 I only needed like 2 or 3 more rebates, but the bonus I needed 15, and between everything that I got the last couple days, I made it. So $1.19, it's a decent price. And then the last item I got is the Ooey yogurt. These were $1.33 on sale. I used a 30% off coupon. That one's on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.03 for this. But then there's a Saving Star deal where you guys can submit your receipt, and you guys will get this end up for 43 cents. My husband actually really liked this, and I got him vanilla. It's the kind I got last time, and he's like, "Ooh, this is really good." So had to get him that. So that was my haul. It wasn't a lot. I went yogurt crazy, but I'm glad I got food. It was pretty much all food. How crazy is that? I got all food. For once I didn't get like other things. So we got that. My total came to $14.60 for everything. I ended up getting $11.05 back with Ibotta. I also got 30 cents back with Saving Star, and then I hit level 4, so I got a $2 bonus for that. If you guys add everything together, it came to $1.25. I got 12 items. That comes out to be 10 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I mean, 10 cents a piece for a lot of this stuff is an awesome deal. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you go find me some paper towels? Because Mommy made a mess. Can you go find me some paper towels, please? Yeah. Thank you, sweetie. So, yeah, but I just want to say thank you guys for everybody who entered my contest. I got like 10, 11 letters in the mail today. I haven't checked it over the weekend, but it's coming up soon. If you guys haven't entered, you still have time. I'm going to give it a little leeway for you guys to enter, but you have to have it postmarked before February 28th. You guys can send me a birthday card. I don't care. I was loving half the cards you guys gave me. Some of you guys gave me a birthday card, a Valentine's Day card. I laughed so hard when I got a baby shower card. I was laughing. It's awesome. One of you guys sent me gifts, and I will show you guys what that is. Some of you guys sent me coupons, which is fine. But definitely do that. And for those who have entered, I'm keeping your guys' names for future contests. So be prepared for that. I'm putting them in a little box so I can save that stuff for you guys. But if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button so you guys can enjoy more Target hauls and my blueberry stained carpet. But I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.